Hello, you're probably wondering what I'm doing, and you'd be right to wonder. So, a few days ago I tried to do a video showing the problems I was having with this soldering iron. A very old soldering iron made in the late 60s, and it's a Weller pu-1 soldering station. It was one of their first soldering stations. I think it was their first soldering station, and I wanted to get it because it's an original tool, the sort of thing that television engineers would have used in the 60s and 70s into the 80s and that. I also remember them being very popular on the assembly lines in factories. So I remember using one myself when I worked at a factory in the early 90s, a slightly newer model of this one. So you're wondering why I got all this stuff hooked up. Well, basically I've had a lot of problems with thermostat. It wasn't working. It would get stuck on, it would get stuck off, and all sorts of problems I was having, and it was all in the handle. Fortunately, I've put it all back together now, so you can't see the problem I was having. So I can just explain what happened. The thermos getting stuck on, it was welding its contacts on inside. So I cleaned those with a small piece of emery paper, and I carefully put it back together, and that worked for about 10 minutes, and then it stopped working again. So basically I cleaned them in with some actually just lighter fuel to get all the muck out of it, and then it worked. And then when I put it all back together, I found that the whole thing didn't work again, and it wasn't heating up at all. So if I just come over here, excuse my mess, but it's live in the kitchen, as I say. Let's get it around to there. So basically this is take voltage